Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity. So today we have got amazing opportunity for all the tech enthusiasts. A Cognizant is hiring for a Power BI developer or analyst role in the Kochi location. So if you are passionate about the data visualization, analytics and creating the impactful dashboards, stay tuned till the end. So we are going to discuss all the details about this role. So what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this and what are all the day-to-day responsibilities are there. Each and everything are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So we will look at the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's dive into the video. So first, the job overview. There is a Cognizant is a global leader in IT service and a consulting. It is seeking a talented Power BI developer for their Kochi location. This full-time role is perfect for the professionals who are looking to make a difference by transforming the raw data into an actionable insights. Now, coming to the location, that is a Kochi, as I told before, the role type is a full-time and the role is a Power BI developer. Now, let's talk what you will be doing in this role. That is a key responsibility. So first, you will develop a maintain and dashboards, like you will create interactive Power BI reports and dashboards that aligns with the business needs. Number two, that is a data modeling. You will use the Power BI desktop to design the robust data models to create the complex calculation by using DAX. Next, we have ETL processes where you will collaborate with the data engineering team to extract, transform and also load the data from the multiple sources like SQL servers, SharePoints and as well as cloud platforms. Number 4, we have data integration where you will ensure the data accuracy and consistency across the various systems. Number 5, we have stakeholders engagement where you will work closely with the business users and will understand the requirements and provide the tailored BI solutions. Number 6, we have performance optimization. You will improve the dashboards by performance through a query tuning with the efficient data modeling. Number 7, that is have documentation and training. You will create the user guides and train the stakeholders on the Power BI best practices. Now, let's talk about the skills that you need to excel in this role. So first, the required skills that you have proficiency in the Power BI tools like Power BI Desktop, Power Query and Power BI services. A strong skills in the data modeling and a DAX for creating the advanced measures. Knowledge of SQL querying database and extracting the insights, familiarity with the ETL processes for the data preparation. The preferred skills that is experience with the Azure data services like Azure SQL or Data Lake. Knowledge of advanced analytics using the Power BI features like Python or R scripts. And you'd have a familiarity with the Power BI services administration for the managing the workspace and security. Certifications like Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate are a place in this internship. Now, why to join this Cognizant? As a Cognizant will be a part of a global community over a 350,000 associates who are working together to create an innovative solution. Here is why the role in the concept. So it is a be a part of collaborative as well as inclusive workplace, and also you will work with the cutting edge technologies like and tools, and you also receive a support for the career growth and skill enhancement. Thrive in an environment that values innovation and also excellence. Now, how to apply for this? It is very simple. The link is in the description box. So click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on apply now button and you can apply for this role. And make sure your resume highlights like your skills and as well as experience. So remember, don't miss this amazing opportunity to kickstart or elevate your career. And so what are you waiting for? If you are exact about you, so go ahead and apply this and let us know in the comments that which skills you most confident about. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for the latest updates and career opportunities, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.